रहीम रब इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वाहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली. Dear students of class 10th, today our lecture number 5, chapter 10, acid and base. Students, now questions arises that what is acid? Do you know about acids? Yes. Some students know about their physical properties, that the acid have the sour taste. It conduct electricity and blue litmus paper change into red. These all are the physical properties of acid, and all these properties are written on your book page number 21. Now question arises, what is base? Yes, what is base? Now its physical properties are it's slippery to touch, its taste is bitter, and red litmus paper change into blue. स्टूडेंट्स एसिड जो है वो आपका अनराइप फ्रूट्स में, लेमन जूस में प्रेजेंट होता है, और बेस जो है वो आपका स्लिपरी टू टच लाइक सोप. इट इज़ प्रेजेंट ऑन सोप, जैसे स्लिपरी टच हो गया. एंड इट चेंज रेड लिटमस टू ब्लू. देयर आर 3 theories of acids and base. Number 1, Arrhenius theory, Bronsted-Lowry theory, and Lewis theory. Now question arises, what is Arrhenius definitions of acid and base? ये एरिनियस साइंटिस्ट हैं जिन्होंने एरिनियस कॉन्सेप्ट एसिड एंड बेस का हमें दिया. नेक्स्ट, एरिनियस डेफिनेशन ऑफ एसिड्स एंड बेस. एसिड्स प्रोड्यूस हाइड्रोजन आयंस इन एक्वस वाटर सॉल्यूशन. हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड, व्हेन हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड इज डिसॉल्व इन वाटर, it produce hydrogen ion and chloride ion. Bases produce hydroxide ion in aqueous water solution. When we dissolve sodium hydroxide in water, it produces sodium and hydroxide ions. This is the basic definition of Arrhenius concept. Now this is another one example. Arrhenius acids donate hydrogen ion to the solution. This is nitric acid HNO3. When it dissolves in water, it produces hydrogen ion and nitrate. Arrhenius bases, it donate hydroxide ion to the solution. Sodium hydroxide, when dissolved in water, it produces sodium and hydroxide ion. Arrhenius gives the concept that acid always produce hydrogen ion and base always produce hydroxide ion. Like that, HCl, when dissolved in water, it produces H3O, chloride ion, हाइड्रोजन. यहाँ पर H पॉजिटिव जो है वो H2O के पास आ गया, तो यहाँ पर ये H3O हो गया. यानी ये एसिड था, इस एसिड ने अपना एक प्रोटॉन जो है, एक हाइड्रोजन जो है वो इसको दे दिया. दिस इज़ द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ एरिनियस कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ एसिड. नाउ द लिमिटेशंस ऑफ एरिनियस थ्योरी. Arrhenius theory is not able to predict whether certain species are acids or base. These species are not clearly identified that these are acids or base. It means there is need to do some work on Arrhenius theory. Now the limitations of Arrhenius theories. Another limitations is that it restricted to acids and bases in aqueous solution, does not explain behavior of all acids or bases. Means like that ammonia, when ammonia is a base and it dissolve in acid, it produce ammonium chloride. But Arrhenius not explain that those acids or base which have no hydrogen or hydroxide ion. So these all the limitations of Arrhenius theory. Thank you.